Alright guys, we're at TJ Maxx. Decided to pop in here after my daughter and I went to eat at a Korean restaurant. I'm trying not to do over shopping because right now we're in escrow with the property back east, so I'm being super mindful, but I'd love to check out their hair accessories. Just a cute little selection. They also are doing a big collab over here with a lot of Hello Kitty accessories. So this LED mirror was $14.99, I think, which was kind of a lot, but I kept going back to it. And I really like to look at travel pouches. If you're doing any traveling, just setting up and packing my travel bag with a cute pouch, I just love it. So popped into the homeware section and I had something in mind, like I wanted pinch pots, but I think I might have to look on Amazon because I want something made out of stone, something natural, something organic, and I just wasn't seeing it. But yes, right now their homewares selection is pretty cute, especially with their earthy and wood tones. Okay, so I've been shopping so much, all of us, on Amazon. I was like, let me go take my daughter and see what they have at TJ Maxx. Just go peruse because I had like an hour before I had to pick him up from the nanny. So I just want to show you what I got. And what do you guys think about this hair? I just like pulled it out. I used to wear wigs so much. I used to sew them on my head, sleep on them, everything. And then it was like, I think I had him or something and I was over it. Then I moved out to Central California where it's like Middle Earth. It's hot as hell. Who wants to have this heavy hair on? But I mean, sometimes it looks good. Sometimes it looks super fake, but yeah, we're just gonna roll with it. Okay. So I've been wanting bowls. Now, every time I go to like, not the Dollar Tree, but like, what's 99-cent? No, Food Max. No. What was that? Anyways, every time I go to one of those bargain stores, I see like plastic bowls, but I really wanted something. Hold on, let me go see what that was. Hold on. Okay, so I just came from the pumpkin patch and I'm like exhausted. How is this hair? Okay, so anyways, a lot of the stores that I go, grocery outlet, they have bowls, but they're always plastic. So I invested in this set of 3. I think it was cheap too. It was only like 20 bucks and you get 3 and they have little lids. So really love it. 3 good quality stainless steel bowls. When I was in culinary school, we used a lot of stainless steel. And by the way, stay to the end because I'm gonna do like a really good Iranian chicken recipe. Sometimes you watch people's cooking, you're like, girl, you just started cooking. I do not want to see what you're making. We don't want the recipe to your grandma's mac and cheese, but when you follow my cooking and you watch my cooking, you're gonna be able to recreate, or it's gonna give you some good ideas in this bomb. Tried and tested, okay? It's not no like, you know what I don't like? I do not like boxed macaroni and cheese. I can't stand that stuff. But so I got those bowls. The next thing I got, which is kind of lame, but just like some really cute neutral socks. Because I did get some new Sperry's, because I bought a pair, but they're the wrong size. I'm gonna show you next time. Do you guys like Sperry's? So I went to a private school growing up on a scholarship. I was like very, very ritzy, like all girls private school from kindergarten, 8th grade in San Francisco. And we had to wear these uniform shoes and they're so nostalgic for me. Then I saw Miu Miu had recreated these for like 900 bucks. So anyways, the true ones are from Sperry and they're only 100. So I bought a pair of those. But before I bought the Sperry's, which are the OGs, which are super comfortable, cushiony. You could even get them in a wide size, all genuine leather, which is gonna age, is gonna patina. I did buy some ones for $50 off Amazon. They stole the picture from Miu Miu and they showed the distressed leather, but these are actually pleather. And I'm at this stage in my life, actually these might be real leather, they feel like it. No, the advertisement said pleather. I don't really like fake leather. I don't like fake bags. Everything is genuine at this stage of my life because I can do it. Now, I have nothing against, pleather and fake designer bags. But for me right now, it's only the real deal. So I don't even know why I bought these. So bad for the environment. But just want to show you the quality. Now, these come in so many different colors. I really love Sperry. And if you want like a marshmallow cushion for under your feet, get Sperry's. They have tennis shoes by Sperry's. This is such a quality brand, and these are only like $108. Genuine leather, take me back to grade school. These shoes are definitely chef's kiss. You get the real leather laces. These are plastic. Even though these tried to do the fake distressing, go for these guys, and they are so well made, soft, extra padding, perfect for wide feet, narrow feet, regular feet. Oh, I just love them. So these are the new to the look. They look so cute with socks, without socks, with skirts, with leggings, with jeans, with shorts. Definitely preppy, but definitely a vibe. The boat shoe. So I just got some scrunchies. My hair, you know, my natural hair is super thin. So if I can wear a scrunchie, that's gonna add me some depth, some weight.
How to do this?
It's super cute. So I got some scrunchies. Then I got a refill of this soap. It was affordable, and this is orange flavor, and it actually smells kind of good. Logan, please don't make a mess with that, Robin. So I got hand soap refill, chocolate coconut honey grams. Let's see what they look like, taste like. I like the combination of graham and chocolate. I don't even know what this is. I forget. Oh, lemon coconut hand soap. Why did I buy this? Oh, for the kitchen. This is the most expensive thing I got. It wasn't even that much. It was $39. I bought another cooking vesicle. It's not Le Creuset. I have Le Creuset. The thing about Le Creuset is, like, if you overbake something, you can never get it clean. So this is only gonna look pretty and clean for a little while. The brand is called Loge, but just like a good size pot, not too deep. Do like some braising, you know, braise, where you like saute and then you cover it and turn to low. So I got that. I did not buy a lot, but I got this little mirror, cute Hello Kitty. I got one for my daughter as well. So let's see. Just like a little compact. $15 is kind of a lot. I think it does light up. Anyways, I gotta figure out what I did. Oh, there. Cute. Okay, so I got one for my daughter, one for me. Cute. $15, I feel like that's kind of a lot, but I guess they had to like pay Hello Kitty to like do a collab or something. I don't know. Then I got this, because I'm gonna be traveling soon. Next month, going back east. So I got this really big toiletry bag. A few more of my kids are coming this time, and I'll be able to keep like everyone's toiletry in one bag. Because I don't really wear a lot of makeup, so I only need to pack like eyebrows, eyeliner, careful, some powder, not even any foundation, and then toothbrushes, lotion, floss. So yeah, and I really like this like puffer look. This was like 15 bucks, so I got that. Then I got these for my daughter that's in college, so cute. These little hair clips with bows. So each side has a bow, and then you clip it. So you can do like, yeah, I don't know, something like, you know, and then you can see the bow on the side. I thought that was super pretty. One, so I got, so there's two, a pink one and a black. So I got that. Packaging, look how cute. Rice lotion. Are you guys like me? Whenever I do laundry, I feel like my hands get so dry. So I like to have a lotion pump next to the drying table, so I can put some lotion in my hands as I fold. So this is rice body lotion. I'll just probably use it for my hands. And then the last thing I got was this pure snail hand cream. I'm just a sucker for the packaging look. Can you see it? Look. Okay, can we just give a round of applause for this packaging? It's so aesthetic. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Super cute. And it's, let me see. No smell, but super cute packaging, guys. How cute. So yeah, that's all I got. So let's cook some chicken. So I'm from the city. I'm new to gardening. I mean, my mom always had a backyard, but let me know what I should be planting besides chilies and tomatoes. I thought I had string beans somewhere at one point. I don't know where they are. I'm super pumped about habanero. Okay, so this chicken recipe, it's Palestinian, it's Turkish, it's Persian. I would say it's kind of like a Middle Eastern vibe, because it's like a lemony chicken. And so you're gonna squeeze some lemons, super easy, just add what you want. Lemons, garlic powder, pepper, some cumin seeds, some chilies, some salt, some bouillon, some cayenne, Make sure it's super seasoned well. Some paprika. The key is add what you love, but make it a little lemony. That's the goal. Okay, so bake at 400 degrees covered for about an hour and a half. Okay, slowly baste it as you go, but make sure it's covered tightly with foil so it can be super tender. That's the key. But you want tender chicken, but you actually also want a crispy skin. So for the last 30 minutes, crank the heat up to 425 and cook it on the top shelf for another 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so this is actually called toom, and it's just a bunch of garlic, oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Just blend, 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 and you get this really delicious creamy sauce. See how the chicken is tender, but yet the skin is crispy? So good. But you know what I just realized, guys? I should have purchased those little bowls from TJ Maxx. They would have come in handy. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.